Pretty windy out here. A little bit of debris. It's about 5 after 11 a.m. September 22nd. I'm sorry, September 28th. Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. Hurricane Ian. Hurricane Ian. What's going on here, folks? To get a ride. Southbound. Chuck Bronson almost stayed with me last night. Yeah, he didn't come by the house, but he kind of passed it up and he ended up heading east to Miami. So Chuck's on the East Coast right now with his family and dog. Whoa! Big wind going up. Oh, sorry I couldn't help them, but yeah, they wanted to get the heck out of this mess. I don't blame them. The streets are dead. The streets are dead. I wish it was like this every day. Well, not the storm, but. I gotta tell you, I don't know if there's a curfew or not, but I'm just saying I'm with the media, which I am. Westbound, Pine Ridge Road. What do we got here? Pine Ridge 41. Oh, they out of gas there. They're not out of gas. The whole place is closed. They wrap those pumps up. CVS is closed. Everything's closed. There's a person jogging. In the storm. Sweet. All right, let's go to the beach.
Could take a while as we get into the afternoon, and we're still going to be dealing with rounds of rain on top of already 4 to 6 inches.
About 11:08 a.m. newscast on 96 K-Rock, 96.1. I'm not sure what they're broadcasting here.
See the wind threat winding down overnight, but this is when a new impact emerges. That storm surge threat Jason talked about, 12 to 18 feet of storm surge, catastrophic and life-threatening storm surge, as well as wind damage is what we're going to experience today. Heading into tomorrow, let's talk about some good news.
That's like right here, the street that I'm on. There's gonna be like 6 or 8 feet of water here.
Tomorrow morning, we're going to see whatever's left of Hurricane Ian tracking up north, eventually near places like Orlando and up toward other parts of the southeast, bringing a flash flooding concern. But for us, this is the imminent threat. Our entire coast under a storm surge warning. That gets lifted to a high threat by 6, 9, 11 tonight.
What the heck is with this light?
Overnight, as we continue to see those onshore winds battering our coast and drudging up a lot of water to push inland, and we're actually going to see along coastal areas 8 to 12 feet of storm surge for Collier County is what's projected, and 12 to 18 feet of
storm surge. What the hell is that all about?
In Charlotte County. Let's walk you through this Charlotte high tide times. All right, so high tide for Englewood, Lemon Bay. We expect this to even enhance that storm surge concern, and the worst of this, high tide comes in at 4:01 tonight, 6:04 for Punta Gorda tonight.
A lot of debris, a lot of palm fronds on the street.
Let's take you into Lee County, of course, a very populated community where we're seeing Point Ebell, Sanibel, 3:11 p.m. is high tide. Fort Myers Beach is around 2:50. Little Hickory Island, 5:56 and 2 tonight. And then we'll take you farthest south, where a couple days ago that storm surge that was not necessarily concerning, but within the past 24 hours, especially Collier County, those projections have really increased. We saw that up to 10 feet of storm surge. Now expected 2:45 p.m. for the Naples Outer Coast is when you can expect high tide. 3:21 for Bay
right here at the beach. That's the beach,
And so we'll be watching
but
for
that's a
those
private
storm
property
surge
beach.
impacts overnight. All right,
Let's see what we can do here.
one last time.
I thought this would be flooded already, but it's not.
The next 24 hours.
It's gonna be.
Of a tropical system. Heavy rain and flooding will be a concern. We have projections of over 10 inches of rain still to come for the coast. Inland areas, not nearly as much, closer to around 2 to 5. And we'll see that high wind threat within a matter of hours, again, mainly for those coastal areas in Charlotte and Lee County, looking for the worst of Hurricane Ian. The tornado threat decreasing. That's the good news. That was a big threat overnight last night in power outages, which we are already seeing. All right, we're going to bring in a meteorologist, Jim Dickey, for more analysis. We'll send things over to you, Jim.
Hey, thank you, Lauren. Yeah, so we're tracking that core, moving towards the coast right now. As we told you, we're going to start to tell you when you need to get into that safe place for the extreme wind threat. Now, the extreme wind threat is...
All right. Enough of all that. Let's see here. Where are we here? Right now, I'm in Creighton Road. Big wind. Look at these trees. Just stop moving so you can get a perspective on the wind.
10+ mile per hour winds. Captiva, if you've made the choice to ride this out...
Not too bad so far. I don't know, if you're getting bored, you can click off. I'm just out here driving right now. I was going to pick my sister up, and then she called me back. She's like, yeah, I don't know if I want to do it now. So I'm going to report back to her. It's not flooded yet. And I don't know. All right, that's your 10-minute video, folks. 10 minutes of me driving around. I'll get back with you in a little bit. Stay safe.